Hello there, welcome to the Gemalto booth at Electronica 2018 here in beautiful Munich. My name is Manny, I'm in charge of marketing for IoT products, and we've got some, great products here on show. Gemalto actually is a company that facilitates the secure connectivity for billions of people and things, literally, and we offer several products for the IoT, and more specifically the industrial IoT, ranging from modules, terminal solutions, and PCI Express cards. So when you are new to the IoT and you want to get started, we have one of the stars here at the booth is our IoT Terminal, where you can get started very easily. It's fully certified, ready to go. It's a plug-and-play solution to connect your thing out there and get actionable intelligence from this device. That's one thing that we have on show here. The other thing is if you want to deploy global solutions, we have actually the Swiss Army knife of IoT modules here on show, which sort of brings back the good old days of M2M, where you didn't have to worry too much about band combinations, where you had global solutions. It's actually our PLS62W, which is a global solution for global deployments with one SKU. So that's for people wanting to deploy global solutions. And then we have another star here at the show, which is our brand new Narrowband IOT module, which is actually 5G. So you may ask yourself, okay, 5G today? You could say yes, because you may have heard the announcement by the GSMA that 5G and LTE are now part of the 5G standard. So you can already experience 5G at the booth today with us, with Gemalto. This module, it's of course secure. That's what we stand for. That's our DNA at Gemalto, facilitating secure interactions, making the IoT a trusted place, which is of course very crucial, essential for Industry 4.0. When you want to connect your machines, you want to be able to trust the data that you're receiving, to know which machine is delivering the data. And with this latest module, we have announced a brand new thing which we can offer to the market, is giving your device an ID, an identity, so you can really trust it. So it will facilitate easy cloud onboarding for your device. If that's of interest to you, come talk to us, visit us on the web, gemalto.com, follow us on LinkedIn and Twitter. Hope you enjoy the rest of Electronica. Thanks very much for stopping by.